Hey guys, it's Dale with eInsurance and your quirky question of the week. Um, this week we have it's a question about life insurance. The question said, "Hey guys, does my family history affect my life insurance rates?" Um, Fair question, and it seems unfair for them to affect your rates because it's something you really don't have control over. But the short of the story is that they do. Um, but it's a bit more complicated than that, as all things are. The most important factor, no matter what, will be your health, obviously. Um, but the complicated part of this issue is that life insurance companies also are trying to underwrite your future, right? What's the probability that something, God forbid, something awful happens to you and they have to pay out? Um, a big part of them underwriting and trying to gauge that future um, is taking into account your personal history, your family history. Um, is your family prone to uh, dying before 60? Are they predisposed to things like diabetes or things of that nature? So they do take all of that into account. Unfortunately, in a perfect world, it would be only up to the things you do, your health, how you take care of your body, and things like that. But it's not just that. It's obviously taking a snapshot, or life insurance companies take a snapshot of you today, and they try to figure out how your health may be in the future. And part of that analysis includes your family history. So that's kind of the brutal answer to your question. Yes, they take it into account. Sometimes you can be denied coverage for it. Um, Sometimes it can just be an increase in rate. And then other times they may simply exclude certain illnesses from your policy. Um, Either way, the best bet is to be brutally honest, right? So if you're honest, for one, God forbid something happens, but if you're honest, everything's on the table, the chances of you being covered, if anything would happen, are extraordinarily high, right? Because you are honest up front. They know everything about your health history. They know everything about your family history. There's nothing left hidden. There's nothing an insurance carrier could claim isn't covered. The other part is that you are, with your honesty, you don't leave decisions up to the carrier's assumptions, and those assumptions sometimes can be pretty draconian in nature if you're not honest. And if you allow them to make those assumptions, that could easily increase your rate. So to answer the question, yes, your family history does impact your life insurance rates. And two, don't let that deter you from sharing everything and being open when you're actually looking for life insurance carriers. That's our quirky question of the week. Remember, send your questions to questions@einsure.com, and we'll talk to you next week. Take care.